Hi, this is my unboxing of the Saviland purple polygel kit. You'll see here that it comes with dual forms, a slip solution, a brush, instructions, a base coat, a top coat, paper forms, a file. Here is the duo forms. They can be called poppets. They are a little more curved than I like, so I probably won't use them. I like the paper forms though, that's great. This specific kit comes with 6 colors. There is a clear, a blue, 3 glitters, and 2 purples. You have a dark purple and a medium purple that comes with this kit. So I start my swatches with some clear base coat so that the polygel will adhere, and I will go ahead and I will swatch each of the polygels, and then I will show you how the glitters layer over all of the colors included in the kit and what that looks like. Overall, I liked the way the polygel worked. I liked how it was not very sticky and it spread out very nicely. I've actually gone ahead and used this for a set of press-ons that I'm making for a friend, and I'm really happy with the colors. I'm really happy with the glitters. They're really easy to work with. My brush did come broken. For some reason the cap won't stay on, so I ended up having to use a different brush, which is why you're seeing me use the pink brush here. It did not come with a pink brush, it came with a black brush, but mine came broken. But otherwise it was great. Cured solid, no issues, didn't stay soft, looks great, and I would give this kit 2 thumbs up.